Hi guys, today we're going to be opening the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I have had the iPhone XS Max since early 2019 and I'm finally upgrading to something new, so I'm super excited about that. I mostly wanted this phone because of how great the camera is, because I'm really looking to kind of take my Instagram to the next level and use it maybe even for streaming and recording YouTube video B-roll footage. I got the gold 128 gigabyte, so kind of like the smaller one. I think it's going to be plenty of room since I store my photos on Google Photos anyways. I'll go ahead and open it up. I love that it has a black box, which is super different for the iPhone. Normally I feel like they always come in the white box, so this is pretty cool. You can see the phone right here. Try to bring it closer without dropping it. Big fan. So it comes with like a white paper on it that I'm going to take off here in a second, and it shows where the volume, the silence, and the power button are on it. And then also in the box you get this like the very typical instruction guide and sticker, and a cord, which is a lightning to USB-C. So I'm going to take the paper off. I don't know, I mean it's really heavy, like much heavier than my XS Max in a case. So it's super weighted, and the back of it's kind of like a matte. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love it. It really looks nice. I'm seriously so excited for this. So we're gonna let it turn on and then I will go through the initial setup. Okay, so it wants me to quick start, which is bringing my current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Oh yeah, okay, so it immediately popped up on screen asking if I would like to set up my new phone. Okay, it's having me put in the password of my other phone. This is pretty cool. If this actually works, this is like super seamless. So yeah, it's transferring my information over now. So right now, Micah has the iPhone 11 and it has that really nice camera too, where you can kind of zoom out and do the wide angled lens. And I have really liked using that, which is kind of part of the reason I went for this phone. I really want to get back into working my Instagram like I used to, where I was posting all the time and working with a lot of different brands. I feel like the phone I have now is very nice and I like that it has a big screen and everything, but definitely feel a little bit limited by the camera. So now it's going to transfer data from my old phone. It says that the expected transfer time is 20 to 25 minutes. It shouldn't be too long because I don't store a lot on my phone, just because I don't want to make my phone slow. Okay, so pretty much everything has transferred over now, which is really nice. And I've got all my apps on here that are downloading. I think it's probably going to take a while for the apps to finish transferring over, but I love that the screen is like such high quality. Like I already went and got a cool background for it off Pinterest once I get all of my stuff on here. I love that camera, the one that like it pans out a little bit and does like a wide angled lens. It looks so good. I'm gonna kind of record right now and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna show the difference here. So this is just like the normal regular camera, and then I'm gonna zoom out and oh my gosh, such a wide angled lens. Super cool. It really like, wow. Back to the regular, and then obviously zoomed in. I love that. It makes such a big difference in your pictures and your videos if you can get a little bit of a wider angle, because the iPhone camera tends to sort of choke up on stuff and kind of not give you like a super wide view. So this now will kind of prevent that. So that is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my new phone. I think it's going to be super cool. I'll add some videos here at the end that I recorded with this new camera to show how like clear it is and what kind of like wide angle you can do. I hope you liked my video about my new iPhone 12 Pro Max 128 gigabyte in gold. I definitely think that this was 100% worth the money, and I'm excited to see what I can do with it over the next few months. Leave a comment below if you guys got the iPhone 12 Pro Max or if you have a phone you feel like is better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. Be sure to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.